Hey guys, it's me, Lizzie. Today I am going to be cleaning out my grow room. This is the first year that I'll be using grow lights. Usually I start my seeds right in the windowsill, and it's worked okay, but it seems like a lot of people recommend using some type of grow light to start their seeds. Also, I am planting a lot more than I have ever planted, so I want to do it right this year. So we are in my downstairs right now. This room is just kind of like a catch-all. We're doing construction down here, but we've been using this room just kind of for storage for a lot of our extra kitchen supplies and small appliances that we don't really use. I have a lot of the canning stuff down here, so I just got to clean it all up. But we are growing zone 6A, which means we have a last frost date of May 1st. So kind of go back 6 weeks, and we'll be planting these seeds really soon. So I want to make sure that we get this all cleaned up and just kind of ready to go. I got for my pots, I got my organic potting mix. I got this at Target, and I found this. I've never used this before, so we'll see how it is. But it's organic seed starting mix, and it has, it's peat free. So the past couple of years, I've just been starting my seeds and putting them in a south-facing windowsill, and they have gotten a little leggy. But we've had, I was kind of happy with the success we had from that. This year, I really want to grow a lot. I want to be able to can a lot of vegetables. So our operation is going to be a lot bigger. I decided to be probably the time to start using some kind of grow light. I was asking for recommendations in a homesteading group that I'm a part of, and a lot of people said just to go with shop lights, including my sister-in-law, who grows a beautiful garden every year. So I know that growing lights are probably better for a lot of reasons, but I didn't want to spend too much money. I got this 4-pack. I think it was like $70 from Lowe's. They're 4 feet LED shop lights. So these are what they look like. And my husband Kyle has a plan on how he is going to hang them. From what I understand, we're going to do it below the upper cabinets that we have in here. But these are them. So we'll see how these do. But yeah, so we are going to use this room. I'm going to clean it out. And this is going to be our growing room for this season. And if it works out, maybe it'll be a good spot for future growing seasons. It is a little messier than usual because we just pulled out this big pot that we are going to be using for our maple syrup, to boil our maple syrup outside. We had this pot for a really long time, and we haven't had a chance to use it. So hopefully this year with our tomatoes, canning some tomato sauce and boiling down our sap to make maple syrup. So I'm really excited to use this. But here's my canner that I've never used yet. I already lost the thing for up here, so I have to order a $20 piece for that. Took it out of the box, and I don't know what happened. I'm going to be planting this year a few things that I haven't planted in a while. I ordered some eggplant this year. The last time we planted eggplant was probably, maybe 5 years ago. And I found some different type of variety on Baker Creek, which I'm really excited about. They're a little bit smaller, so I feel like it'll be easier to cook. I have also decided I'm going to try some onions, and I'm starting that from seed, which I have never done. Potatoes is something I really want to do. I haven't gotten around to ordering. It might be too late. I don't really know, so I have to check on that. So now that the countertop is all cleaned off, this side I still have to do, but a lot of this is Kyle's stuff. So I'm going to let him kind of go through that and move that where he wants it to be. But my side is done. And then what will happen is grow lights will go under here. So now my room is all tidied up for the most part. I'm gonna have to go get all my planting tools and everything I'm gonna need. I'll get that set up. This way I'm all ready to go. I'm waiting for my seeds. They're gonna be here on Friday. I ordered from Baker Creek. So here is my garden shed. It is pretty messy. Organizing this will be another video, but right now I'm just gonna kind of try to get everything I need so I can start my seeds next week. But something that I saw that really kind of caught my eye on, I can't remember if it was Instagram or YouTube, I saw a gardener putting rabbit manure on the bottom of the seedlings underneath all the potting soil and seeding soil. So I have a friend that has rabbits and she had offered to give me some rabbit manure. So I'm kind of debating whether or not I'm going to try that. I might try half and kind of do a little experiment to see if that would make a big difference or not. Once my garden is pretty established outside, I'll usually use the Alaskan fish fertilizer. I get it at Home Depot, and I really like that, but I've never tried any type of fertilizer when I'm starting from seed, so it'll be interesting. I think I'm actually going to try some of the rabbit manure and the fish fertilizer with the seedlings. And see if that really makes a big difference overall compared to last year. Great, so I got my bin here with everything I need. I got all my trays. I got my plant tags. And then what I'll do is I'll just use this bin to pour the dirt in so I don't make a huge mess down here. When my husband finds some free time, I'll have him hang up my lights and we're ready to get going. I'm really excited to garden this year. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. I'll see you next time.